Hello. Okay, so today I'm going to be playing with Shopkins So Cool Fridge. Shopkins So Cool Fridge. I already decorated it because that takes a long time. Okay, let's start by looking for 2 exclusive Shopkins. There's nothing in this cup. I wonder what will happen if I just push back on this lever. Shopkin alert! Can you see him? He's cute. This is one of our exclusive Shopkins. Right here. Shown to you. I'm on the top of the world, and I can't balance. I'm on the top of the world. Yeah. I'm gonna put him back in his little freezer drawer. And then, I'm gonna look for the other one. Do you think it's in here? Oh, there it is! It's a little cupcake. I'm on the top of the world, and I didn't fall like the soldier before me. I'm gonna put it right back in there. Then let's start placing all of my 32 Shopkins in there, which is now 34. Okay, we're going to start with my cupcake sheiks. Me first! The girl always likes to go first. Okay. Hey, wait up. Yep. You guessed it. He's awesome. Okay, now we need another bakery treat just to kind of liven things up. That can be our bakery thing. Ooh, pecan pie. Can you squeeze in there? Squeeze. Squeeze, pecan, squeeze. Got a full fridge up in here. Jeez. Yeah, seriously, things are not wanting to fit. Maybe we need to put you on a different shelf, okay? Okay, so we're going to wait to place her, and we're going to put her up here with soda, because nothing else is going to go in there. Wait, I wonder if they'll both fall at the same time. Not the same time, but they did both fall, which is something cool. Okay, so I'm going to put cupcake stick right here. Haha. Yeah, her brother is always doing stuff like that. Her brother is the green one. Why do you have to be so big, Picana? Like, she is huge. Okay, one last thing. It needs to be a bakery treat so we can liven things up. See, it looks like I can't find a bakery treat, so I'm just going to give corny cob. Corny cob, get in there. Stop being shy and introduce yourself. Hi, I'm Corny Cob. There, I said it, okay? Thank you. Thank you very much. Okay, now we're going to do our second row. Let's say juicy orange. Burnt beans. And this time I'm going to put Googie in one of the front rows. So that way you can see him. Because the first time I played with this, it was a couple days ago. Or yesterday. Yesterday I made a video and it was too long. So yeah, because it was more than 15 minutes. And I'm going to see what I can do about that. But now, I'm just going to have to live with that. And now we're going to say, Brood Freshener is going to go down here because she's like something to keep. I want to put like all of the stuff that'll keep it clean in here. So, let's say the iron. Where's Molly Mops? Molly Mops, Molly Mops, Molly Mops. Sarah Softener. one, which I have as a double. Might end up in there twice, but there's tissue liquid, so it looks like not. What's supposed to go right here is the little egg teeter-totter thing, but I think it's kind of in the way while you're putting this down here. So now that we have it, we can put our little eggs there. And then I'm going to put Frosted Pasta up here. Okay, yeah, I'm just going to take our little eggies out. And we can put them in there later. I'll show you all of them later because they are so cute. So now, let's go Mom Kettle. Mom Kettle. Oh, no, I want to put the fat ones on the bottom. So let's take Juicy Orange out of here and replace it with Brenda Blender. Because Brenda Blender is tall and skinny. And I don't want any tall and skinny ones in there. So I want all the fat ones down there. Brenda Blender. This is the row. I'm going to put a bunch of small ones. So it's Teeny Danish because she's the smallest Shopkin I have. No joke. Other than the miniature Shopkins. But like, she is the smallest one I have. And one of the next ones will definitely be Champy. Champy is so tiny. I'm going to see how many of these Shopkins I can fit on this row. I'm going to pull it out while I'm doing the back row because they're so far back. So Champy. You can put Sally Shakes. I feel like the fridge is falling. Sally Shakes. Yummy Gum. Skinny. Ooh, I might be able to fit a fifth one on there, which is good because I've only been able to fit 4 on a roast bar. So let's do Animal Lamp. No, she's fat. I want the fat one at the bottom. Let's do the fruit treat because if you turn her, she's cute. I like her. Okay, now we can push it against the back. Then I'm going to go for Sugar Lumps, which was my only season 1 that was a special edition, and I loved her. An ultra rare, that's what it's called. Then we're going to go for Pazelli, which is a rare from season 1. Honey, which is an ultra rare from season 2. And then we're going to skip right there because that kind of takes up 2 spaces. We're going to put Mama Kettle, Lana Lamp, Juicy Orange, and one last one. Can't be too fat though because it won't fit. You know, Lana Lamp, you're so fat you have to squeeze right there because that's the only spot you're going to fit. Okay. And then one last one that can go right there that isn't too fat. Sour lemon. Sour lemon, you're so tall. Why are you so tall, yo? Now let's go on to Poppy Corn. Poppy Corn can go down there. There in the back. This is little wheat popcorn. Popcorn. I'm gonna put. That was not me farting. My shoe rubbed against the couch. Okay, so that's Sarah's softener right there, and then we're gonna put my little cupcake. I don't know the cupcake's name. Do you guys know what the cupcake's name is? Tell me in the comments what is the cupcake. And give me a like if you love Shopkins also. Because I know I do. Give me a like if you like it. Just do it. And it looks like all of my 34 Shopkins can fit in here without using any compartment other than this big one right here. So that's kind of weird. Yeah. Okay, well, I'm going to put you up here so that whenever no, it could fit there. I just don't want to put it in there. And we're just going to close it up. And that's our Shopkins fridge. And look at the side. The back has those things in it. I don't know what they are. Just don't bother me. There we go. Bye, everybody.